Okay, so this is my Scratch Junior Project 1. It came from the BootUp Scratch Junior projects. I think it's called Dancing Alone, I think is what the name of the project was on BootUp. So that project focuses on the sequencing, and I made it a little more than what the instructions were because the example project just had only blue blocks. These blue movement blocks for each of the sprites, so I added a little bit more from my knowledge that I've gained from Scratch projects. So really what happens is that when you press the flag, my sprites will dance. And then I will show you the code for each of mine. They all do something a little bit different, and then I had them repeat. And also these three wait for 30 seconds, or not 30 seconds, but a certain amount of time while this little sprite is talking. So, that's my project.